Hello, today we will guide you through how to change theme in Zoom. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access all of the account and settings options without interruption. If Zoom takes a moment to launch, just wait until the main home screen appears. Once Zoom is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps personal app options, account controls, and shortcuts to important settings. If you are already signed in, you should see your profile picture or a generic account icon there. After opening that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings window where Zoom organizes different preferences into categories. Settings is the area you'll use whenever you want to adjust how Zoom looks or behaves, so it's a useful place to become familiar with. In the Settings window, click on General. This section contains broad app preferences that affect your overall Zoom experience rather than just meetings or audio settings. If you don't see it right away, look along the left side of the settings panel where the categories are listed. Once you're in the General section, find the Appearance area. This is where Zoom lets you control the visual theme of the app. Here, select the sample theme color you want to use. As you choose a theme option, Zoom may update the interface preview right away, making it easy to see how the new appearance will look before you continue using the app. When choosing a theme, pick the one that feels most comfortable for your eyes and matches how you like to work. For example, some people prefer a darker appearance in low-light environments, while others find a lighter theme easier to read during the day. The good thing is that you can always return to this same section later if you want to switch again. After selecting your preferred theme color, your change should take effect automatically. You can then close the settings window and continue using Zoom with the updated look. That's all it takes to change the theme in Zoom. It's a quick customization, but it can make the app feel more comfortable and personalized for everyday use.